In this video, we're going to create a website with ChatGPT. So here I am on ChatGPT, and we're going to go ahead and go to the Explore GPT's feature. And from here, we can try out this new website generator. So if we go ahead and click on this and start chat, we will build a website with this feature. So let's use it to build and host a website. Now the GPT is going to ask us for a business name and description. So I'm going to create like a YouTube talent management agency. So I've wrote a name here as Grow Online and a small description explaining what I plan to do. Now we're going to give that information to ChatGPT and we'll see what it gives us back from that prompt. So it wants to talk in B12.io. We're going to go ahead and allow that. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, so now it claims that it has created us a website. So we're going to get a preview image here and we can go ahead and approve that, I'm assuming. It's going to build the website as we wait here. Okay, so now we've approved that it has created the website. There's a link here to claim the website and a preview of what it looks like. So let's go ahead and claim it via the link. It will then take us to B12, where we can then give more information about our website. So let's continue through this and we'll go ahead and fill out this form here. And after that, we can see the results and we can preview the website. So here it is. Here's what it looks like on desktop. We've got the website name, Grow Online, empowering YouTube creators to maximize views and revenue with expert analytics and growth strategies. I actually like that. It's well worded. The website looks clean. First impressions are actually pretty good. We have a button here to view services. We've got a YouTube image, which is actually really good because a lot of these AI tools, they don't really do great with imagery, but this is a perfect fit. Unlock your YouTube potential. We've got strategy, monetization support. And to be honest, with the information that I gave it, this is a very good looking website. Let's see how it looks on mobile. It actually looks really good and really professional. So I'm going to click I like it. Let me personalize it. Now, realistically, it doesn't really need much personalization. We could leave it like this, but you would need to personalize it for your own needs. So you can go ahead and go into the pages. You can add more pages. And here are all of the recommended pages that we can add. And all in all, this is actually pretty decent. If you want to change the style and the colors, click on style. You can then change the theme. You can also change the colors and the fonts. And there's also some custom CSS options as well, which we're not going to cover in this video. You've then got your SEO here. You can go ahead and add keywords. And all in all, you can go ahead and edit this however you like. Now, if you're creating a service-based website, you only need to create it once. And we've pretty much got ours straight away. You can then go ahead and publish. And what you can do, you can publish it to their custom domain name, or if you want to add your own domain name that you own, you can do via this plan. So we can just publish this right now and it will publish to their domain. And there we go, it's now published and we are going to have this advertisement if we don't upgrade our plan. But to be honest, look how great this website is, all designed with AI, starting out at ChatGPT. Let me know what you think in the comment section below and go and try this for yourself.